Mixing a ramjet small block with substantial drivetrain upgrades and a comfortable custom interior, this well-built 1940 Ford is a heck of a lot more fun than a restored to original car. And if you're looking for a great combination of timeless style and modern performance, it's a choice classic that simply cannot be beat. The beneficiary of a professional restoration that was commissioned by a previous owner, this coupe is a supremely handsome street ride. During the car's reboot, solid sheet metal was completely stripped of its dull original pigment. With that shell removed and its foundation massaged into great alignment, smooth red base was sealed in mirror-like clear. Inside, you'll find a custom leather interior. Plush bucket seats feature full power adjustment, and a classy dash hangs hardware for modern climate control between upgraded gauges and metal foot pedals. And the driver keeps control through a Grant banjo-style steering wheel. Toss the hood and you'll find 350 cubic inches of reliable Chevrolet small block that's been painted, polished, and fitted with proven ramjet induction. That compact motor twists a predictable 700 R4 4-speed, which spins a 9-inch Ford axle. Mixing a high-quality build with impressive power, custom upholstery, and spectacular aesthetics, this coupe is the kind of car that draws crowds and wins trophies. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.